Communications on the International Space Station. In the 1997 movie Contact, Dr. Ellie Arroway, Jodie Foster, races to interpret a possible message originating from the Vega star system. To communicate with other planets or even outside our solar system. Science fiction, right? The endeavor to detect technologically advanced life can be traced back to the early 20th century when radio pioneers explored the possibility of interplanetary communications by carrying signals on the radio and microwave bands across vast distances in the galaxy. This work led to the first listening experiments in the 1960s. The film and movie industry has a rich history of science fiction. Human imagination and creativity in the arts and literature bring to life what seems like fantasy. Take, for example, Star Trek. Movies and television shows can make communicating with space look easy. Astronauts on far-off planets video chat with loved ones on Earth with crystal clear quality and no delays. Ask yourself, how important is your cell phone or Wi-Fi to your daily lives and well-being? We are living in a time when innovations in communications are expanding because of space. The use of satellites for communications is about to turn a corner, making communications into deep space a reality. LEO, or low Earth orbit communications, is about to change because of SpaceX. Elon Musk's program is proposing Starlink, a satellite internet constellation being constructed that will provide satellite internet access. The constellation will consist of thousands of mass-produced small satellites in low Earth orbit, working in combination with ground transceivers. A second method is geosynchronous equatorial orbits, or GEO satellites. They have been around since 1964 when Syncon 3 was launched. Geostationary satellites stay fixed because they rotate at the same rotation of the Earth. Communication satellites are often placed in a geostationary orbit so that Earth-based satellite antennas on Earth do not have to rotate to track them, but can be pointed permanently at a fixed position in the sky. Do these imaginary communication capabilities match reality? Well, not really, but communicating to and from space is a challenging endeavor. Fortunately, NASA has the experience and expertise to get space data to the ground. NASA's Communication and Navigation SCAN program enables this data exchange, whether it's with astronauts on the International Space Station, or rovers on Mars, or the Artemis mission. The Space Network, SN, was established in the 1980s to replace NASA's worldwide network of ground tracking stations, and to allow for communications on the International Space Station. Thanks to space exploration and the creative arts, we are moving at warp speed into the future. Who knows? Maybe this will be the year we make contact.